So what's in here is spinach, kale, pineapple, banana, and fresh ginger. I think I'm missing something. This is a footrest, or like a foot hammock that you use for the airplane. I have half Parmesan garlic and half medium with carrots and celery and ranch. And that's it. Okay guys, I literally only had 15 minutes in me. Well, 16 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to zoom in. Okay, hold on guys. Let me get you guys a closer look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. I have quite a few subscribers since my last video, so I just want to say hello to you guys. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and following me on Instagram. I'm so happy you guys are here, and you guys really motivate me to keep making videos, keep posting, you know, my weight loss journey, so it can help you guys, but truly it's helping me. You guys are keeping me accountable, so thank you. I am going to show you guys what I eat in a day today and show you guys just kind of another routine of what I do and how I'm able to lose weight. If you guys are new here, I am I'm going to be 6 months postpartum this week. My little sweet baby Kyrie turns 6 months on the 20th. So I'm 6 months postpartum, and I know I already said this, but I want to make a separate video of just kind of me sitting down and explaining everything, and just not showing, but just talking about what I did, how I did it. But I want to reach my goal first before I do that, and so which is why I like filming what I eat in a day, because you guys can actually see exactly what I'm doing to lose weight. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Hopefully today isn't too boring, but we're gonna go down and actually make barbacoa. Well, we're making it. We're gonna put it in the crock pot so that way we can have it for dinner tonight. Hopefully it will be done before 6, because my eating window is from 2 to 6. I have 4 hours of eating, so it's 9 o'clock right now, so we should be good. So let's go downstairs and make the barbacoa.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie, so call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday, got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night, go driving down Sunset.
Okay guys, I'm gonna unbox my Amazon package that I got in the mail today. So before I open this, I just got my hair done this week. I get my usual, which are highlights. I use Dove shampoo and conditioner, but I noticed that has it's been making my hair so rough. So anyway, I reached out to one of my great friends. Her name is Cynthia. I actually met her through YouTube and Instagram, and we've just became pretty close like via Instagram. She is a hairstylist out in Dallas, Texas. So if you are in the Dallas area, I'll put her information down below. I sent a picture of my hair to her, and I asked her if there was any shampoo and conditioner or products that she would recommend for my hair, because my hair is just very I don't know, it just feels rough. That's the word. It's just rough. So she went out of her way and screenshotted me 3 of the things that she really liked and that she recommends to her clients. The first one is this Wella shampoo and conditioner. It's for treated hair, since I have colored hair, so I ordered this. I will try these for the next 2 weeks, and then I will let you guys know in 2 weeks how it feels or if I see a difference, but she said it should make my hair feel like 90% better. She also recommended this. It's a 10 Miracle leave-in conditioner, and it's supposed to make it feel so nice. And then she also recommended Moroccan oil, but that is coming tomorrow, so that didn't come in this package. So that's what I got for my hair. So if you have like highlighted hair like myself, and I have dark hair, naturally dark hair, I'll let you guys know how I feel about these products, but I am very hopeful that this is going to really save my hair because my hair has just been so rough. And then two things I bought. So these are both for my Thailand trip. This is just a toiletry bag. This was on sale for $8 on Amazon. So I wanted something compact, not big, and I wanted something inexpensive that has a hook. So, or it could hang really. So I think this has a hook inside. So, okay, yeah. So like this has a hook. So if I'm like in a hotel or in the bathroom, I can just hang this on the wall, and I can just have all of my products in here. So lots of compartments, lots of pockets, and then I can also add things in here like my contacts, my solution, glasses, things like that. And then I can add my travel things in here. And then you guys are gonna think I'm ridiculous, but I did so much research on this. Here, let me open it for you. This is a footrest, or like a foot hammock that you use for the airplane. So I watched so many TikTok videos and YouTube videos on people taking long flights, international flights, because guys, I'm gonna be sitting on a plane.
Hi guys, subscribe to my vlog.
So I'm gonna be literally sitting inside an airplane, I think a total of like 25 hours. That's not including travel time. I think our total travel time is 30 hours. So they recommended, when I say they, it's TikTok, they recommended this. So basically, well, when I'm on the airplane, I'll show you guys. So you open up your tray table and you put this inside your tray table. You can have your tray table opened or you can close it. And so this kind of just hangs, and you could put your foot on it. So, and like, you know, when you're on an airplane for so long, you get so uncomfortable. So it's nice to change positions and just have, like, you know, your blood circulation just kind of flow. So anyway, I got this for our trip. And so yeah, that is what I got on Amazon. So I will link everything below, let you guys see everything on that. But yeah. Hi, can I have a detox island green, please? Okay guys, I'm getting a smoothie because I just feel like I need it. I'm just kind of having low energy right now. It's 2:30, so I'm in my window where I can eat. So that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm trying to ask Micah what he wants to eat because we're gonna go like on a mommy and son date, but he's not in a really great mood right now, so I don't know. Let me think about it and then we'll see. But for now, I'm gonna have the Island Green Detox. It's not low carb because there's a banana in there, but it's low calories. It's like the lowest calorie smoothie that they have at Tropical Smoothie. I think there's like 180 calories and I never finish it. I usually only do half of that. So if I just drink half of that, it's like what, 90 calories? Anyway, I want to drink the whole thing, but for some reason I just can't finish smoothies. Okay, so got my smoothie. And every time I order this smoothie, it just literally gives me the fuel that I need, and I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because it's filled with lots of nutrients and there's no added sugar. So what's in here is spinach, kale, pineapple, banana, and fresh ginger. I think I'm missing something. No, I think that's it. Yeah, so the fresh ginger, I can really taste the ginger. Again, this is the Detox Island Green. There's also another one that's not Detox Island Green, it's just Island Green, and that one has like over 400 calories because they add sugar into it. So yeah, I really love this drink. Guys, we chose a place and we're gonna do Buffalo Wild Wings just because they just have a variety of things that I like and Micah likes, and I can get a salad and wings. So yeah, let's go in and have some lunch. Okay, what are you having?
Guys, I'm having burger.
Hamburger with fries.
Fries, my favorite.
Yep, with ketchup.
Potato.
So I have all flats. These are 10 wings total. I have half Parmesan garlic and half medium with carrots and celery and ranch. And that's it.
Today.
Okay guys, I just took a nap. I should have worked out, but I was so tired. Okay, it's 5 o'clock. We're gonna check on the barbacoa. It is like sizzling right now. It's been on low for about 8 hours. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't... Mike! He's out there screaming, hey neighbor. So loud. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to zoom in. Okay, hold on guys. Let me get you guys a closer look. So this is what it looks like. Look at that. It is just breaking off on its own. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Or it's shredding on its own, I should say. Look at that, guys. Wow. Okay, let me fast forward and just shred this whole thing. I'm gonna let this sit here. I actually have to go and pick up Kyrie from Grandma and Grandpa's house. So it's a little bit before 5 right now. Hopefully I'm back before 6 so I can have dinner because that's my window. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on low and we'll be back for dinner. Okay guys, it's 5:45. I made it home. We're gonna have some barbacoa. So I'm not gonna have much tonight. I am gonna eat this throughout the week. The possibilities are endless with barbacoa. Literally, I can make so many things. So I'll show you guys that, you know, in my future videos this week of what I eat in a day. But today we're gonna keep it simple. I know this is not birria tacos, but I'm gonna treat this as if it is. So real quick, let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. Please don't call me crazy. And I don't have cilantro. I forgot cilantro, but that's okay. Again, we're gonna eat this all week, so I can probably pick some up tomorrow. So yeah, let me show you guys real quick. So we're gonna use these low carb Mission street taco tortillas today. These are the street taco size, so they're pretty small. These only have 70 calories for 2 tortillas, 3 grams of net carbs. Hold on, baby. There's only 3 grams of net carbs per 2 tortillas. Tortillas. So we're gonna, first of all, oh,
Hi guys.
Hi.
Love you. Okay, wait.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys ever had birria tacos, but they kind of like get their tortillas, dip it in the juice. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then we're gonna get that nice and hot. Let me quickly do this one. Okay, then we're gonna just add some barbacoa. Oh, you know what? I think I have cheese. Let me get some cheese. Let me just flip this. All right, we're gonna leave this on the heat for a few minutes, get it nice and hot and toasty. Ah, look at this. Ah. Uh-oh, you guys hear Kyrie in the back? All right, guys, I am pairing this with a salad. I'm actually gonna put some barbacoa in here also. I'm gonna add some cheese on top, and that's it. I'm not gonna add any dressing because lots of the juices are in here. So let me add some sour cream on the side, some hot sauce, and then we are gonna have dinner. I have a little bit of this hot sauce left. Maybe not. Oh, just a little. I need to get some more. Oh, that's literally what I have, guys. That's sad. Okay. All right, guys, dinner is done. So I'm only gonna have 2 today since I had wings for lunch. This looks really pathetic because I don't have a lot of the green hot sauce. So we have sour cream, a little bit of the green hot sauce, lime, have a bowl of salad topped with barbacoa, cheese. So these are barbacoa tacos, obviously, but I try to make it like the burrito tacos. I'm not gonna dip it in the juice or anything, but I've seen a lot of videos on how they made it, so just try to copy that. Anyway, all right, let's have dinner. Okay guys, it's 8:41. I'm gonna do this quick booty and leg building workout with the kettlebell. So I will link this below. I put my watch on traditional strength training. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I might do a grow with Joe after this one. So I have it on my TV now, so let's do it.
I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, 'cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah. I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, 'cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind.
Okay guys, I literally only had 15 minutes in me, well 16 minutes. I burned 110 calories. That's all I could do today. I'm so tired, I'm so sweaty. But that's okay, we're gonna try for 30 minutes tomorrow. I haven't worked out in a few days, so that's probably why, but yeah, it is almost 9 o'clock. All right, you guys, I am going to end my video here, but let's just do a quick recap. So I did the 20 and 4 fast today, intermittent fasting. So yeah, the 20 and 4 window, I ate between 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Oh. So yeah, where was I? Intermittent fasting. I just lost my train of thought. He's so cute. All right, I can't do this right now. Intermittent fasting. It's what I did today. I did the 20 and 4 window. I ate between 2 and 6. For my first meal today, I had around 2:30. We had Buffalo Wild Wings. And then before that, I had a Detox Island Green from Tropical Smoothie. So that was like my snack. And then you guys saw I made barbacoa this morning in the crock pot, and I had that for dinner with a side of salad. So I'm gonna go up and take a shower, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos and my meals. You know, you guys can make things low carb, low calorie when you guys are out eating, and that's what we did today on our mommy and son date. So yeah, sorry I'm talking so fast, but I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.